Where are you? Come into my life and help me out. I'm hopeless. Helpless.
Calm yourself down in tough situation, because you will learn from your own things, your own difficulties, your own situations.
Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it.
I know we all have to struggle in our lives. We often fail. We fall a lot of times. But remember, there is always a beautiful sunshine after every darkness of light.
Where I speak alone, so I am quite speak well, but this is the barrier for me to face lots of people.
When I was on the India Gate, that was my first public speaking speech.
Saving time and saving money for the lot of the population which are traveling to and fro at a regular.
On that day I was so much shivering, I was so confused what to do, how to sell mobile phones. But you sir helped me a lot. I am very, what I could say, very grateful to you sir.
I like, Sanjay, your sound and tone, right? I love it. The great excitement you're carrying with you, right? Yes, Zishan, are you excited?
I am very excited, sir.
Hey! Are you excited?
Yes, sir. I'm very excited.
लग नहीं रहा यार, ना चेहरे से ना बॉडी से. I am very excited. Are you excited?
Yes, sir, I am excited.
That's. Are you?
Yes, sir, I am excited.
Are you?
Yes, sir, I am excited.
That's Paji.
Yes, I am excited.
That's great. एक ओमकार सतनाम करता पूरक, अकाल मूरत. Okay, that's great. So everybody is excited. That's absolutely fine. Now we are going to do one activity. You all have to stand and you all have to speak the way I am going to speak. You have to just repeat after me. When I came to Happiness Institute, I was very nervous. I was thinking, can I improve myself or not? I was sitting in a corner. अब जब आप कॉर्नर पे बैठेंगे तो कैसे बैठेंगे, क्या बॉडी लैंग्वेज होगी? I was sitting in a corner. कॉर्नर तो ऐसे ही जाएगा ना, तो बोलिए ना उसको सरकार.
I was sitting in the corner.
Yes, all right. Oh yes, all right. I was sitting in a corner. I was lying. People were asking. Hey Abdullah, अपना नाम. Why are you sitting like this? Are you nervous? Are you in hesitation? Are you a bad guy? Are you confused? अब देखिए कंफ्यूजन का सबसे बड़ा जो सिंबल है वो माथे की सिकुड़न. No, I am not. Why are you asking this question? I'm not confused. I'm all right. I'm sitting here for analyzing, for observing, for synergization, for utilization, for observation, for information. That's why I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here. Right? मैं आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूं, अब आप जवाब दें. Why are you sitting here? I'm analyzing. That's great. Hey, are you confused? Hey, are you nervous? Hey, are you a bad guy and a girl? Are you feeling lonely? Are you social or unsocial? Very nice. Are you having interpersonal skills or not? Are you having social skills? Yes, I'm having social skills. That's great. अब अपने बगल वाले को, सामने वाले को आप बताइए कि वो अपनी जिंदगी में क्या क्या कर सकता है. नर्वस ना हो कृपया करके, क्या क्या कर सकता है बताइए. कंप्लीट. कम ऑन. Come on.
Arya, you are not.
Come on. Speak. All right, stop it. Stop it now. And now you have to speak. You can turn that side. I will be speaking, you will be following me, right? Once more. And after that, I will make you speak one by one. Hey God. Where are you? Come into my life. And help me out. I'm hopeless. Helpless. Energyless. Financeless. Supportless. Successless. That's why I expect. I hope. I'm praying. I'm doing worship. I'm sitting in front of you. Hey God, listen to me. I am doing a dua. Hey God, where are you? I'm looking for your help. I'm waiting for your help. Look my problems. Look the pain I have. Look the failures I have. Look the problems I have. Look the challenges I have. I have a lot of problems. Come and solve it. Come and look me. Come and help me out. Hey God, I can. I believe that I can. All right? Okay, the last, there will be same zone of the speaking. Yes, I understand that. बोलना नहीं है, सिर्फ सुनना है, फिर आपको बोलाऊंगा. Yes, I understand that in initial phase we have a lot of problems. Like for example, what happens sometimes that we just go on the stage first time. If you're learning public speaking, we like, oh my God, what's gonna happen? What's happening with me? Like our legs and body start shivering. We start assuming that, oh my God, we can't do this. It's a kind of big Mount Everest, kind of breaking a Mount Everest. Breaking the fear of public speaking and glossophobia is kind of breaking the Mount Everest. But it's not like that. It's all about your consistency. It's all about your practice. And that's why I believe I can. These days, I believe that I have a lot of failures in my life. When I just step ahead to break a failure and rejection in my life, I get again failure. But I don't lose my hope. I believe personally, if I again and again break the barrier, and I will reach at the final destination in my life, because it's my belief. So nobody can stop me. Nobody can break me. Nobody can demoralize me. Nobody can demotivate me. Nobody can pull me down. Nobody can pull my legs. Nobody can stop me, because I have complete determination, devotion, proper direction, proper dedication, and I will reach to my final destination. Because I have self-belief, self-esteem, self-strength, self-power, and self-analyzation and synergization. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you.
So good morning, everyone. As you know, my name is Sanjay. So I'll be telling about, many of the people are born with some difficulty, but still do not lose hope. Like I want to tell you one of the greatest singer I want to tell you about one of the greatest singer in the world. That is Kanye West, one of the my personal singer. So when he got on the stage, he said that when you get in the life, you has two options. Either you play the game, either you don't play the game. So I don't think that you have any reasons to not play the game, because when you will play the game, you will fall. Maybe you will fall. You will learn from it. And also, I would like to quote unquote the founder of Windows, that is Bill Gates. The Bill Gates said that if you are born as a poor person, that's not your fault. But if you are going to die as a poor person, that's your fault. So every day, wake up and have some whatever you want to have, and just, I want to say, don't ever lose your hope, because someday you will be a big person, and you will be a millionaire, billionaire, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to be. So just one thing, keep in your, don't ever lose hope. And also the other thing is that please calm yourself down in tough situation, because you will learn from your own things, your own difficulties, your own situations. And also one of the things I would like to tell and point out, that I am the only person who is facing toughness. I am the only person. No, all the persons, all the human beings on earth are kind of facing their own problems on their own. So how I'm going to stand up? The only way to stand up is that I'll show them. But I'll show them that I can solve problem. I'll be a big man. So when I reach a certain stage, so I can also say that I am a big person because of my parents, because of teachers like Abdullah sir, friends like you, colleagues like you. So I think you should never ever lose hope in yourself.
Very nice. Put your hands together.
I am Atulya Bhatnagar, as you know, and today I will talk about goals, right? We all have that goals in our mind, but the main problem is that we don't write them, right? We should write all the goals, and when you will write your goals in your diary, maybe many people will come to you and say that you will not be able to achieve that, but you should be the one who has that belief in the mind that you can achieve that. Okay, and always say this to yourself, that you can do it. You can be the person who is the inspiration for many people. You can be someone who is the hope for many people, right? So always believe that everything will happen according to you. Maybe sometimes there will be some people who are just forcing you that you should stop, you should not follow your dreams, or you should just go according to them. But you should be like that, I will do it, I can do it, right? So all of you say this with me, that you can do it. Come on. Yes. You can do it. Yes. Stand up. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I will do it. We all can do it. Thank you.
First of all, a very good morning to one and all present here. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. As you all know, my name is Garima Chaudhary, and I'm here to present myself and develop myself. I know we all have to struggle in our lives. We often fail. We fall a lot of times. But remember, there is always a beautiful sunshine after every darkness of light. The stars shine only in the darkness of night and not in the rays of sun. So we have to remember this, that we will shine after the darkness of struggle and the challenges that we face in our lives. I have my parents who support me, who believe in me. I have beautiful teachers who support me, who are there to clap for me, who are there to support me. So remember, you don't have to give up. There are a lot of people who gets inspired by you. You have a lot of things in your life. There are many people who don't have this opportunity to at least believe in themselves, to at least present themselves. If you have that opportunity, please use it, please utilize it. You have that. You can do it. No, you have to do it. Can you do it?
Yes, I can do it.
Can you do it? Yes, I can. Can you do it?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can do it.
Can you do it?
Yes, I can do it.
Yes, we all can do it.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
That's great. Very good.
My name is Atif. Today I am telling you how to not give up in your life. There is a quote that is said that there is no success without failures. Are you afraid of failures? When you got the failure, do you demotivate? There is the most important reason behind the demotivation. That is the most important thing. That is a comparison. If you are comparing yourself with others, if you are comparing yourself with anyone's other success, you are letting just down yourself that I cannot do it. That's the most important thing in this time. The people that are unhappy, because they want that lifestyle that they are comparing from them in the social medias. If you want to happy in your life, just see the people who are down with you. Just see the people, those who are sleeping on the roadside. And if you want to grow in your life, just compare yourself those who are upper than you. If you want to get success, if you want to be like that person, if you want to learn, you have to compare yourself like Abdullah sir, those who are upper than you and those who are more success and more succeed people than you. So people, why are you all afraid to get success? Why are you all afraid to try? At least you can try it. At least you can give a try, because failure is a part of success. And if you are failing, falling down day by day, that not mean that you are not able to do it. If the lion is just stepping aside and you are just moving their legs behind, it not means that they are not going to jump. They are planning for the bigger jump. That's the important thing. If you are getting the failures day by day, if you are not able to cope up that thing, that you have to keep in mind, there will be a sunrise that will my sunrise. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Very nice. That's great.
I want everybody talks about you can do it. Of course you can do it. I want to talk about especially girls, because I am a girl and I know we often say that girls and boys are equal, and it's very nice and very good to listen this, but sometimes we all inside know that there are opportunities that the girls will not get. If sir spoke that we should go out for outing alone, we get to know about the world, the people around us. Do you think that the parents of a girl will allow her to go out alone? So there are always the possibilities, the variations in the world, where girls will get little bit less opportunities. So we had to work on that. We cannot change the society, but we can change ourselves. We have to be so strong that no one can stop us. We have to be so strong that our parents will get a confidence in us that whatever be the situation, we can face it. We can fight with it, whatever happens. And that is what we have to learn, especially the girls and the boys. What do you think you can do for us? I don't want to do it for me or any other girl, but you have a responsibility. If you say that we are male, we are more dominant than girls, so what do you do special that makes you more priority in the world? What do you do?
We can create safe environment.
Yes, that is what we want, and that the parents are afraid of, because that is how the environment is being made. Parents are afraid that when our girls will go out after 8 o'clock or after 7 o'clock, even in the afternoon, they're not safe. And that is what boys and all the parents who have boys need to do, that to make the environment safe for the girls, so that they can come out of their house, can work upon them and can grow in their life. Thank you.
Very good.
Nervous today because there are lots of people around me. So when I speak alone, so I am quite speak well, but this is the barrier for me to face lots of people. So this is time for me to grow myself, to develop myself.
Yes.
and I am doing some work upon myself to improve myself. So I analyze myself to what are the points I am lacking behind these. So first of all, we have to do, never lose your hope, never feel down, never feel very less, and don't compare with yourself with others. So when you compare with others, so you feel very pathetic that you are not good. You are not good, and you are not compete with the guy who are very good, and you have to just work upon it, that you never do these things, but you have to do these things just by yourself and never lose hope.
Okay, please give a huge
Good afternoon, you all. My name is Mohit. As you know, I am your friend, and today I am telling you about full day plan. I start my day by this thought that I have I go to the coaching, Abdullah sir coaching, and in the mid of the way, I realize a small kid. He is begging, and some other kids, they are also doing the rack picking work. Then I think that I'm lucky to have a great life as compared to them. I have all the things which really required for living a good social status. So my question is that to you all, we have so many superiorities as compared to that guys, but we cannot focus about that lower group, that person who don't have that type of resources and all. So my question is that please think about those peoples who don't have that much of resources, who are lacking, who are facing the life crisis and all. So question to your own self that how much dedication or how much effort you are did for that, or you will do for that. So that's all.
All right, very good, fantastic.
So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon. As you know, I am Suresh and I am here to speak about my 1.5 months experience in Happiness Institute. First of all, I thankful to Mr. Abdullah sir and all of you also to listening me. So let's start. When my first day in this institute, I was unconfident. I was shivering like that. My legs are shivering like that. But today, my legs are not shivering. My hands are not shivering like that. When I was on the India Gate, that was my first public speaking speech, and that was like mug up from somewhere. But one of my friends said there was 20% English in my speech, but 80% accent. That thing hurts me. Then I started work upon myself to improve my grammar. Where I lack in grammar, where I do mistakes in grammar. And during this period, 1.5 months, you can see and you can observe me. I'm making mistakes little bit in grammar, but my accent is also improving. So I urge to you all, don't lose hope, never give up. That's all.
All right, very good.
So good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Sujal. So today I am here not to giving any knowledge or gyan, but I will be giving my gratitude towards Mr. Abdullah sir, because he is the only person who had changed my personality totally from shy to a confident. Because I remember the first day when I came here, from the first day only, he took me on the mobile store. I think you remember, sir.
Yes, I remember.
On that day, I was so much shivering. I was so confused what to do, how to sell mobile phones. But you, sir, helped me a lot. I am very, what I could say, very grateful to you, sir. Because whatever I can say to you, sir, is very less, sir. Because you have done so many things for me, sir. So I just want to say gratitude. How I am unable to show my gratitude, sir. And also I remember an incident, because you were so supportive. because approx 1 month ago I came to you. I said that I have only 2 weeks left, so tell me what to do, tell me my mistakes to improve, and you just simply said at the first line, you said take 1 month from my side as a gift. So it was a very beautiful moment at that time, because you were so supportive without asking for money. You just gave me 1 month, and it helped me a lot, sir. So I love you, sir, for this, and also for everyone. And I make so many friends who helped me a lot. Every person in the present here helped me a lot. For example, Atif helped me a lot of time. Lot nahi helped me. And I'm very grateful to everyone to present here and listening my gratitude. So thank you. That's all.
Hello everyone, my name is Jishan Khan, as you know, and I want to explain a little bit story before.
My name is Saim Chauhan, and today I will be talking about the success and the failures regarding various activities which we do. Rather, it can be either public speaking or driving a motor car or cracking any competitive exam. For this, I would be exemplifying my experience through Dahi Handi game, or you can say through the Govinda game, right? For this, there are various things which we need to keep in mind. First is that there should be a proper teamwork, because it is your team only which guides you towards your aim. These can either be your colleague, your parents, your friends, and other people around you. Second would be a proper management, proper team skills, team building skills, which can guide you towards your achievement of your goal. Second and the third thing would be resilience, that it does not matter that you fail while accomplishing your goals, but it is the ability to bounce back when you fail to achieve your goal that is more important and the most crucial thing while achieving any task. And the final thing would be the aim towards your single focus, or aim towards your single target, which you should always keep in your mind so that you can achieve your goal.
All right, well tried, well tried. You have 40 seconds, 50 seconds. Speak something hard by using your gestures and eye contact. Right?
Hard means
Hard means something with a hard sound, heavy sound. I have done something, why not you can do?
okay.
Yes.
And another topic which I want to discuss is about the Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro is Delhi Metro is like a boon for this city, because it helps in the convergence from one point to another for such a vast population of Delhi and NCR region. For Delhi and NCR region, and most of the population moves from one end of the Delhi to the other end of the Delhi at such a low cost that it definitely helps in saving time and saving money for the lot of the population which are traveling to and fro at a regular interval.
All right. Okay, please give a huge round of applause.
So my name is Anushka Ghale, as you know, and as you know that I am very jolly or happy person, but inside me I am not happy. I am not jolly person. You don't know what is my feeling, what is in my heart. I have many thoughts in my mind, as I cannot express myself. Some reason is behind us. We do not share our parents. We cannot express our feeling to them. In my inner self, I have many complications, as I cannot express to everyone. Yeah, but I express to everyone. But there is some thought in my mind that I cannot say it clearly. It is my, you can say it is my mistake, or it is my, but usually some of our parents says that it is normal, but it is not normal for us to say it to them. But it makes us very easy to say to our friends or to say to stranger, because they understand our feeling somehow. But sometimes that stranger will give a effect to us, and they makes a fun of us. They should also console us and should not make a fun on us or on other people. As we know, we have our qualities in our inner beauty. We suppressed ourselves. We should not suppress ourselves in this situation. We should calm ourselves by doing things which we like most. So, or we should, if you like music, you should sing music, or you should listen music. If you like to watch movies, you can watch movies. Yeah. So I want to say that there is one of my friend, or I can say relative. He is a relative. He is generally, he was gorgeous than us, and he has a ability. So do not underestimate the feeling of others. Do not make a fun of them. They have also a right, but somehow they also give. We also give them a right. We should not give a right. We should be equal for everyone. They also take advantage that we want freedom. We want freedom. That is not a freedom. Everyone has given a freedom, as we know. We should do not demotivate them. We should motivate them. We should also pretend that they are a normal human being rather than they are not a human